Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Kool Zone. I just want to say thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. Today, we are going to be putting together the ultimate steak and cheese waffle. Let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. So while we prep this waffle up and get it together, let me tell you, enjoy this video, folks. I guarantee you're going to love it. So how is everybody doing today? I am actually doing quite well. I'm just enjoying putting this together. Who loves mushrooms on their steak and cheese? I am a huge fan of those. So whenever I make a steak and cheese, I always have to get my mushrooms. I just love mushrooms. I think mushrooms gives certain sandwiches an amazing flavor. So let me ask everyone, what do you guys like to put on y'all steak and cheese? If you would like to share some of your comments, you could always leave it on the description below. I mean, not the description. What am I talking about? Leave it in the comments below. The comments. Next, we are going to do our peppers. Onions and peppers, folks. You gotta love them. Gotta love them. And that's another thing I love to put on my steak and cheeses. I love putting the onions and peppers in it because it gives it a nice, beautiful taste. And it, for the picture, it gives it a nice, amazing color. But before I completely shut up, I just want to say, for whoever is trying to follow their dreams, all I have to do is say is this. Keep going. Do not give up. No matter what obstacle comes in front of you, do not give up. Keep chasing. Keep going. I always like to say this, moving and grooving. No matter what happens, you keep going. Because at the end of that beating and that grind, that you're going to endure and that you're going to take moving forward, I guarantee you there's something waiting for you at the end. So all my fellow YouTubers and everyone else who watches this video, keep grinding and don't give up. All right? I'm actually going to shut up now. So thank you all again for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoy my amazing steak and cheese waffle. All right, I love y'all. I might say something at the end. We'll see. But anyway, Kool Zone out.